seen him yet?
No, he walked me all the way around this boat. Look at him. Big sheep.
Holy shit, and you got him sideswiped. Good God, look at the sight.
Wow. 15.5?
Yep. Okay. There you go, perfect. Oh. I saw that one coming. I'm like, oh shit. Yeah, you can do that way if you want, and hang them straight up and down.
I gotta be able to stand. How long is he? He's over 30 inches.
Over 30 inches.
There you go. That was awesome. Go, buddy. Don't.
So 15.6 minus 1.8. So you take
13.8
something.
ounces.
13.8? Okay. It's a big sheepy.
It is. How many of these I lost last week? Barely hooked. Yep, there we go.
Oh,
Barely hooked.
it sucks.
This is a pig.
It's a short bag. Pretty fish.
She's hooked too, so that's good.
Pretty nice in the light too. That's gonna make a beautiful picture. Sure, he landed right on his head. You know, there could easily be muskies in along this edge. There's one.
There's one. Fish on. A little guy. It's a nice little fatty. Alright, broke the ice. No skunkage. Did you want a picture? It's grass now. You put that long.
Oh, right there.
Oh yeah.
Little tiger.
No way.
Yep. Yeah. Little baby.
You want the needle nose?
He swiped at it. I'm like, oh, man.
Came back for it.
Oh, okay.
You want these or no?
Sure. No, I don't. Careful.
Nice.
There's one. A little bit. He whooped it. That's all right. Too. Hello, darling. Smoke that right at the boat. That's the most perfect shiver minnow bite ever. Oh, he come off! Oh!